Hi, my name is Dave Sherman, and I'm a researcher at Harvard and Boston University and co-owner of Live4 Physical Therapy in Acton, Massachusetts. This presentation will cover our work titled Inhibition of Motor Planning and Response Selection following anterior cruciate ligament reconstruction, which was funded by the American College of Sports Medicine and has recently been published in MSSE. We sought to investigate time-related impairments in those with ACL reconstruction by leveraging the perception-action loop of a choice reaction time task. This work expands on the literature detailing slowed neurocognitive processing speed and visual reaction time after ACL reconstruction, as well as longer neuromotor activation and postural control and torque development. We leveraged the millisecond resolution of brain imaging using EEG to study the time course underlying response decisions. With this, we can parse out neural processes responsible for selection and motor execution, or the activity from a stimulus to the decision for how to respond, and then eventually to the actual response. We believed individuals with ACL reconstruction would achieve response selection and motor response intervals more slowly and with lower activation compared to controls. We found that those with ACL reconstruction committed 3 to 5% more errors than controls, but maintained the same reaction time. From the brain activity, we characterized the latency and lateralized activation of the motor cortex that underlied the response for each limb and group. We did not find impairments in the ACLR limb or differences in latencies. However, we did find that those with ACLR had lower activation in both response selection and motor execution intervals for responses bilaterally. These results extend the literature surrounding cortical inhibition in those with ACL reconstruction, and are the first to report impairment in both response selection and motor execution subprocesses. We believe reaction time and latencies were preserved because of a speed-accuracy trade-off. In other words, the pace of our experimental stimulus necessitated rapid decision-making that brought down reaction time to physiological limits. All in all, we recommend clinicians consider neurocognitive and motor planning training activities in post-ACL reconstruction rehabilitation. Activities that challenge decision-making and reaction time in chaotic environments may address motor inhibition and help to improve motor planning and motor control after ACLR. Thank you for listening, and you'll find more of my research in the linked QR code.